You've probably seen plenty of luxury fifth wheels before. But trust me, you've never seen a front bunk like this. The 2026 Brinkley Model G 4155 is rewriting what's possible in a toy hauler. It's bold, it's refined, and it's designed for those who want both luxury and adventure without compromise. Imagine this: you pull up to a lakeside campsite, step inside, and your front bunk area feels more like a cozy mini suite than a storage space. Behind you, a living room that rivals a modern condo. And in the back? A full garage ready for bikes, ATVs, or whatever your weekends demand. This is Brinkley's most unique floor plan yet, a true wow moment for anyone who thought they'd seen it all in the RV world. So buckle up, because today, we're stepping inside the 2026 Brinkley Model G 4155, a luxury RV that combines the heart of a home with the soul of an adventurer. From the outside, the Model G 4155 immediately commands attention. At nearly 45 feet long, it's a presence on the road, a rolling statement of design precision. The front cap features Brinkley's signature sculpted shape, aerodynamic, sleek, and highlighted with bold LED accent lighting that gives it that high-end automotive look. The glossy fiberglass exterior, frameless windows, and high-definition graphics package make it look more like a luxury coach than a toy hauler. You'll also notice the upgraded MORride suspension system, triple axle setup, and 17.5-inch H-rated tires, all built to handle serious weight with silky smooth stability. Brinkley didn't just design for looks, they engineered for usability. You've got a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, slam-latch baggage doors, and a full hydraulic auto-leveling system that does all the hard work for you once you park. And when you step under those dual power awnings, with integrated LED lighting and outdoor speakers, you instantly get that resort patio vibe. It's ready for long weekends, full-time living, or that bucket list cross-country road trip. Step inside, and the word garage quickly disappears from your mind, because the interior of the Model G feels nothing like a typical toy hauler. Brinkley's designers have created a seamless flow, combining modern residential style with rugged functionality. In the living area, the massive opposing slides open up to create a wide, airy space that feels like a designer loft on wheels. You're greeted by ultra-soft residential furniture, premium materials, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with light. The color palette, rich grays, warm neutrals, and subtle wood textures, feels sophisticated and relaxing. The main sofa features heat, massage, and power recline functions, perfect for long movie nights. Across from it, a massive entertainment wall houses a smart TV, a JBL sound system, and an electric fireplace that adds both warmth and ambience. Every switch, vent, and handle feels deliberate, like it was designed for someone who truly lives in their RV, not just vacations in it. Moving into the kitchen, it's instantly clear Brinkley understands how people actually use their space. The 4155's kitchen is laid out like a modern apartment, not a cramped galley. You get a full-sized residential refrigerator, solid surface countertops, and a deep stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. There's even a hidden pantry behind the cabinetry, giving you tons of storage without cluttering the look. Cooking is handled by a 3-burner gas range, a convection microwave, and plenty of counter space to prep. The lighting, both recessed and accent, makes everything glow softly in the evening. And right next to it, the dining area offers flexibility, a freestanding table setup that can seat 4 comfortably or convert into an open lounge zone if you'd rather work or entertain. It's elegant, practical, and refreshingly livable. Now, the feature that makes this floor plan a showstopper. The front bunk suite. Unlike traditional toy haulers, Brinkley moved the sleeping quarters up front, turning the nose of the RV into a private, elevated retreat. As you step up the stairs, you'll find a space that feels more like a mini loft apartment than a bunk. There's a wide bed area with built-in nightstands, a smart TV, multiple USB ports, and overhead storage designed to maximize every inch. Large panoramic windows give you morning light and evening views, not the cramped, closed-off feel most bunks have. Brinkley added extra insulation and soundproofing, making this space quiet and cozy even when others are hanging out below. It's perfect for kids, guests, or even a small office setup for full-time travelers who work on the road. And the best part? It doesn't steal space from the main living area, it's integrated beautifully into the design. This is where Brinkley stands apart. They didn't just add a bunk, they reimagined how a front suite could feel. Moving toward the rear, the luxury continues in the master bathroom and bedroom zone. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious, with a large one-piece fiberglass shower, sliding glass door, and rainfall-style showerhead. There's a solid surface vanity, a residential-style sink, and an LED backlit mirror that feels straight out of a boutique hotel. Storage is abundant, with deep medicine cabinets, drawers, and hidden shelves behind the mirror. And when you step into the master bedroom, it's pure comfort. The king-size bed sits on its own slide-out, opening up the room beautifully. You've got direct access to the wardrobe, washer/dryer prep, and a smart TV, everything positioned for both convenience and aesthetics. The fit and finish here are top-notch. The trim work, lighting placement, and ceiling design make the space feel upscale, not utilitarian. Finally, let's talk about what makes the Model G line legendary, that rear garage. In the 4155, you get a full 11-foot garage space with rubberized flooring, tie-downs, and heavy-duty framing ready for serious toys. Whether it's a pair of dirt bikes, a side-by-side, or even a small workshop setup, this space adapts instantly. But here's the real twist, it's not just a garage. Fold down the Happy Jack system, and it converts into a second living area or guest bedroom, complete with an electric bunk, half bath, and even a patio deck that folds out the back. Imagine opening those glass doors, stepping onto your private deck, and watching the sunset over the desert or forest, your toys parked below, your family relaxing inside. That's the lifestyle Brinkley is selling, and it's one that's hard to beat. To sum it up, the 2026 Brinkley Model G 4155 isn't just another fifth wheel, it's a design experiment that worked. It combines a front bunk, something rarely seen in toy haulers, with a true luxury residential finish. It's versatile enough for families, couples, or solo travelers who want both comfort and capability. And with Brinkley's commitment to quality, from their automotive paint finish to their precision-built furniture, it feels less like an RV and more like a handcrafted home on wheels. So, what do you think? Would you trade your current setup for this front bunk masterpiece? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious which part impressed you most, the elevated bunk suite, the garage patio, or that stunning living space in the middle. If you enjoyed this inside look, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got more 2026 luxury RV tours coming your way very soon. Until next time, this is Auto Review Pro, bringing you the world's most beautiful motorhomes, one tour at a time.